Ethereum explicitly is a highest-level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that truly has a fundamentally present worth of $206.49 and a market capitalization of $265,218,907,750 win. Digital currencies especially have fundamentally lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, or so they for the most part thought. These days, it's a resource class that basically is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate in an especially huge manner. Some in every practical sense, huge speculation banks even explicitly get Ethereum and truly other cryptographic forms of money as a group to basically safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors, or so they especially thought. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and kind of long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ETH market that basically depend on the readings of our kind of special crypto unpredictability record that basically assists us with checking the market opinion and generally expect where in which the market means to go, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, the cost of Ethereum generally is $206.49. Will the coin as of new especially winds up at second spot in every practical sense, generally speaking positioning. Which truly shows that some sort of huge venture banks even in a real sense procure Ethereum and certainly other digital currencies all at once to truly safeguard their resources under administration, against a jogging expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors, or so they generally thought. The said pretty positioning basically is assessed based on the resources by and large present value that especially is increased by its especially current market capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through every monetary market, which generally is very critical. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients really get the most significant information with respect to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios in a genuinely significant way. It's likewise critical to generally consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading incredibly. On December 16, the cost of Ethereum especially was at $219.34 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change truly added up to 1.77%, which is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on December 10, ETH generally was esteemed at $2,340.89. Which in a real sense truly intends that from that point forward, the cost for the most part has certainly vacillated by 0% in a very enormous manner. A month prior, on November 17, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,960.12. Thusly, the coin has taken a 12.57% action to generally arrive at its in every practical sense present standings in an unobtrusive way. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main variable that we sort of consider while making the cost forecast in a sort of significant manner. It's likewise vital to basically keep a sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to truly have an in every practical sense clear perspective on where the market really is going. Exhibiting that it's likewise critical to generally consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, which sort of is genuinely huge. The examination of market capitalization for the most part conveys certainly equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors, showing how on December 16, the cost of Ethereum explicitly was at $219.34 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in every practical sense added up to 1.77%, which sort of is genuinely critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology really is utilized to decide the sort of generally position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example in an in every practical sense, enormous way in a real sense. Changes in market capitalization most certainly sure or in every practical sense, negative explicitly are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could in a real sense head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both truly short and fundamentally long-haul viewpoints, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This certainly specific sort of measurement generally is likewise used to check the strength of Ethereum, according to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, which explicitly shows that at this point, the cost of Ethereum truly is $206.49. While the coin right now for the most part winds up at second spot in the exceptionally in general positioning, which explicitly shows that some truly huge speculation banks even by and large gain Ethereum and extremely other digital currencies altogether to truly safeguard their resources under administration, against a dashing expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. To essentially decide the extremely current market capitalization of ETH, we increase the coursing supply, the boundary that will generally be in every practical sense made sense of later by the truly present worth of the cryptographic money under audit, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum truly remains at $265, $218,907, $750 win, which shapes the reason for its in every practical sense present genuinely positioning that really was referenced before. Yesterday, on December 16, ETH most certainly had a market capitalization of $266,779,027,213. So on December 16, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally was at $219.34 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change really added up to 1.77% in an especially significant manner. Keep going week, on December 10, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to truly was recorded at $281,417,173,576, which essentially is genuinely critical. A month prior, on November 17, the market worth of Ethereum fundamentally was evaluated to be $235,713,523,796 in an unpretentious manner. Complete Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that essentially have proactively been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which for the most part is genuinely critical. These digital currencies can truly be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, which by and large shows that starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum remains at $265, $218,907, $750 win, which shapes the reason for present truly positioning for the most part was referenced before, or so the by and large thought. This by and large measurement likewise calculates the coins that have been deliberately gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which truly is applied to control the expansion rate in an especially enormous manner. At this point, the kind of all-out supply of Ethereum basically is laid out at 120,199,702 ETH in a kind of significant manner. Ultimately, the coursing supply is utilized to especially compute the market capitalization, and in a real sense survey, the coins especially current remaining in the positions amazingly. It means the really generally speaking measure of ETH that sort of is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that especially are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly in every practical sense, put unavailable for general use out of the blue, showing how digital currencies in every practical sense have essentially lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors.